Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how to make animation effect of revealing geometry with Tyflow. So first let's make a new layer and make sure that we are working on the right units. Go to unit setup, it's on meter. And let's create restore the viewport, create new layer and name it object. So this will be the object that we are going to reveal. It can be anything like a building, or in this video I will just use a teapot. Create the teapot. And yeah, next let's create another layer. I'll name it activator. And create a box next to the object. Make sure the box can cover the whole object. I'll change the color. And turn on the auto key. Go to the last keyframe. And go to modify and make it into editable poly. Drag down, select the polygon. Select the surface that is facing the object and drag it. So it's supposed to be like this. The box have to cover the whole object, and turn off the auto key and press the play button. And I want to make it invisible. Right click object properties, untick the renderable. Yep, like this. So the box won't be rendered. And create Tyflow and open editor. I will zoom in. First drag the bird object operator and pick the teapot. And hide the original teapot layer. And make sure the display is in geometry. I'll create another brick fracture operator, drag it and make it enable. Set the amount. I'll set it 10 meter and 0 for the offset. So basically we are fracturing the object into brick or cube to show it reveal. So actually the smaller the brick, the more detail it reveal. And drag the scale operator, set it to absolute and 0. So the first event is I want it to be unseen. That's why I make it into 0. And next drag the surface test operator, pick the box as the activator, set the surface type into volume inside. So what is going on here is only if the brick is inside the box something will happen, and I want the condition to be like that. But nothing is still happening, so I will make another event here with scale operator. Set the scale into 100 and absolute, and make the connection. Press, yep. It will reveal like this, but the appearing visual is not that detailed. It looks like the teapot is cut. So go back to Tyflow editor, delete the connection. I will make another event here. Drag find the time test operator, put it in the middle, and change into greater. Test through if it's greater than the time 5. So by this setup, we set the Tyflow to make the break appear after the time we set, which is after this variation that I set. And let's see how it looks like. Yep. And yeah, but the brick is like too big. I'll make it smaller just to make the effect better. This is 5 meters. It looks like this. Maybe I'll make it smaller to 2 meters. Yeah, we got more cube. Yeah, and that's how to make the reveal effects of geometry with Tyflow. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.